Here we're going to go over the steps on how to change a rear wiper motor on here we have a Mitsubishi Outlander. So the first thing you'll do is you remove this plastic cap right here. Just spray that out. Then you have this 10mm nut right there. And once you take that off, you just hold the wiper so the pressure is not going on the motor. You take this nut. So here you want to pull this with a clamp and then push it on the center of the bolt here, and that will remove the arm. So once the arm is off, you come on the back here. The first thing you do is you have to remove this panel, and this has no screws in this car at least. All it has is these retainers, these plastic retainers you see around here. So you just come here and put something, a wedge there, and then just pop this off. Once that comes off, you have the motor right here. So let's take a closer look at that. So right here is the motor, and it's right on the back here, but you can see we have 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts, and then we have also right that's it actually. So once you remove these 3, you can remove this off, and then make sure to disconnect the electric wire harness first. You're gonna have to press on here, press on that clip, and then you pull that off. And once you do that, then you can remove this whole piece. There is a rubber grommet up here that goes through the glass. Make sure that it's reinstalled, because otherwise you're going to have water leaking into the trunk here. So that's it. It's pretty simple and straightforward. Thanks for watching.